All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verbs. So hit on, to discover or find something by chance. Just, whoa, look what I hit on. Whoa, look what I hit on. We hit on that last week, yeah. How cool is that? I hit upon it last night, yeah. We hit on it by chance. Wow. It was a great discovery, yeah. I hit upon the idea while I was relaxing. Yeah, I was relaxing and I hit on the idea. They hit on it in the house. They found it by chance in the house. I hit on it while in the forest. We thought you hit on it while on the beach. You hit on it in the forest, but we thought you hit on it on the beach. Huh. Okay. They hit on it last night. Yeah, they found it last night. I am always hitting on new ideas and principles. Yeah, new ideas. I hit on the idea. I hit on this idea. Okay, I hit on this idea while I was thinking about what kind of content to make. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, I'm hitting on something new. Yes, we're hitting on new ideas all the time. Well, I am anyway. I'm hitting on all sorts of new and unique places to visit and explore. Yes, there are a lot of caves we can hit on while in the countryside. Yeah, all sorts of places. How cool is that? Yeah. We might hit on gold treasure. Yeah, who knows what we might hit on while there. Yeah, we might hit on buried treasure. We might hit on buried treasure. Wow, how cool is that? We might hit on an ancient lost city. Why not? All sorts of things we could hit on. You never know what we might hit on. Yeah. Yeah, he hit on this cove on the beach. Yeah, this cove. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use hit on in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. As well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.